What's up, guys? I'm Kailey.
I'm Andrew.
I'm Matt.
And we are
the Dream Team.
We're at Epcot today for the Festival of the Arts.
Here we're gonna try all the different foods, but with a twist.
We thought it would be fun to do the What Am I Eating challenge. So each one of us is gonna eat 2 different foods blindfolded, and we're gonna see if we can figure out what are we eating and what country is it from. Let's go. Matt and I are up first.
We're gonna get Andrew, but the trick for this one, Andrew is a human garbage disposal. So instead of trying to trick him with the foods, we're gonna try and go so he can't guess the country. So Kailey, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do the charcuterie board.
You can't even say it.
I know. I'm gonna do the charcuterie board because I know he's gonna know it's cheese, but he is not gonna be able to say charcuterie. So we're definitely gonna get him with that one. And then
in Italy, we're gonna get him the Insalata de Gam. It's about 3 paragraphs long. If I can't say it, Andrew's definitely not gonna be able to say it and he won't guess it. So here we go. Here we go.
you ready? Go.
How am I supposed to eat something with a fork?
I'll help you.
Good.
Alrighty, it's gonna get a little messy, but just put that in your mouth.
Shove it in.
What the hell is that?
Pinch that.
Right here?
Yep.
Yeah.
And don't eat that piece though, you already know what it is. Like what you're pinching, don't eat that. You can't eat the one piece, the one that was on your finger. There you go. Oh, you gotta guess, what is it and what country is it from?
Okay. So it's a shrimp with some sort of salad. And my guess, it's gonna be from Italy.
Cheater.
Are you kidding me?
I know my food.
What? What? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Have a good one.
All right, number 2. So pretty much you're just gonna put your hands on it.
Put my hands on it?
Put your
Yeah.
hand on it.
Oh my gosh, what is this? I have no idea. Should I just start eating it?
Yeah.
Start eating it.
What? Oh my god, it keeps going.
You gotta eat it all. You're gonna need a napkin. Plop her in. Oh, what board?
He's not gonna shit for a week.
I thought I figured it out. I don't know what this is. Oh, this bite's gonna give it away. Alright, I'm gonna go with cheese, sausage.
But what's the whole board called?
It's like a charcuterie board or whatever, right? No? It's not a charcuterie board? I thought it was.
A what board?
A charcuterie board.
Oh, what country?
Oh yeah. What country is it from?
I'm gonna guess it's from Germany.
You only
Take
got
her
one.
off.
I was so confident.
You devoured that charcuterie board.
Yeah.
Alright, so Matt is up next. And a little backstory about Matt. Right now he is doing an internship with Disney all about plants in Epcot. So we're gonna see if he actually knows his plants, and we're gonna get him a plant-based bratwurst, see if he can call it, and then
We're gonna get this shrimp donut thing from Japan.
no, we're getting the mini tomato.
Oh, that's right, we're getting the mini tomato. My bad.
We're getting the mini tomato from France, and we're just gonna make him shove the whole mini tomato in his mouth.
Oh, he is
Sticking
gonna,
with the plant theme. We're gonna see if he really knows his plants.
he is gonna flip. So we got the plant-based bratwurst here, and I gotta tell you, he is not gonna get this at all.
So you're just gonna have to like pick it up.
I have to pick it up?
Yep. But like not the whole thing. Like pick up just the food.
Oh, come on. It's like hard.
Take a big one. Yes! Do we have any guesses?
Alright, so it's like a sausage, bratwursty, something. But it doesn't taste like meat. But what else would have sausage? Can I pick?
Yep.
Yeah, you can pick.
Go pick.
Alright, so I'm gonna go Germany
Okay.
at that inside place.
Okay, you can take it off. Take it off, take it off.
Ooh, what the hell is that? boy.
It's a plant-based bratwurst. We were
Why it
seeing
doesn't taste like meat?
Yep.
we were seeing if you actually knew your plants.
Turns out you don't.
Come on.
Vegan, here he comes.
And
let's
it
see
was from
Outpost.
the African outpost?
Yep.
What the fuck?
yeah.
Off to France.
He's not gonna get it. Thank you.
Oh, dang.
What do we have there, Kailey?
We got the mini tomato. I'm not sure exactly how we're gonna have you eat this. If we should have him eat it with a fork or just like pick it up and shove it in.
Oh my god. Is it gonna spill?
Yes, so be careful.
Well, shit. It's mushy.
We've got a squirter!
It's kind of gross.
It looks gross. It probably looks just as bad as it tastes.
Tastes like tomatoes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then there's meat.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
So, it would be like either Canada or it'd be France, I guess. France.
Ding, 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 ding! You got it! Take her off. Look at how gross that looks.
Oh, come on. Look at my hands.
You got it. High five.
Damn it.
Psych!
So right now, we're gonna go get Kailey's food. Where are we going?
We're going to Italy and then Germany. So we're gonna try and fool her with some meats.
Yep.
See if she can guess those. But we'll see how it goes.
Oh yeah. What do we have there, Matt?
We got some beef, fish, cheese mix.
Is it gonna stain my jacket?
It's already stained, don't worry about it. Don't, just
Don't
use your
touch it?
fork. Yeah, use your fork.
Hold on a second. Do I have something?
Oh yeah, stab it all.
I got it? Ew. What? This is disgusting. I'm leaking.
Keep going,
What?
take another bite.
Oh. Is it? Hold on. Oh, okay.
Oh my, no! On the table.
some kind of meat. Oh! Oh, I know this flavor. Okay, hold on. Okay, I know I ate a tomato.
Yeah.
I ate one tomato. And it's some kind of meat.
Yep.
But,
What's your final guess and final destination?
final destination is going to be, Germany. I'm going to Germany. And it was, beef. Beef and tomatoes. Am I kind of right?
So you got the destination.
Ding 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 on the destination.
But the meat.
It's a familiar flavor.
I know this.
But I don't eat fish, so I don't eat fish, so what the?
Definitely fish.
All right, round 2. Can Kailey go 2 for 2 here?
All right.
Who's gonna win?
Did I just put my? Oh! This is a tiebreaker.
This is for the win.
Okay. Ready? What the heck? Is this edible?
Yes.
It feels like cardboard.
Ooh.
Okay,
So yummy. Oh.
I would never eat this.
Because it's not edible. I'm just kidding.
Like it's a rock.
I'm just kidding.
Okay, so these are mashed potatoes.
Okay.
Mashed potatoes. Where do you get mashed potatoes? What's like a mashed potato country? What was that?
Oh.
Okay.
Gosh, that was
What is that?
it's a hair.
It's like CC's pizza all over again.
It's edible. You can eat that.
You can
I
eat the
don't
rest of it.
want to.
Eat a little bit. Yeah, eat right there, right there, right there, right there.
Cow tongue. Oh my god. Whoa. You guys did really good. Okay, the only way I'm gonna get this is off of a country.
Okay.
And I'm gonna guess Canada.
Is that your final guess?
What is it?
Canada, and I think it's tofu. Wait! Japan? Tofu? Is tofu Japanese?
Final answer?
Final answer.
Ding 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 on Japan.
Oh, hell yeah.
Definitely not tofu.
Definitely not tofu.
Oh, what is it? Can I open now?
Yeah.
What the heck is that? Why is it green?
All right, so if you guys are wondering what that last one was, we had to double check what all was in it because we had no idea.
Either did I.
But it was the vegetable gyoza from Japan.
And that's a wrap! Wait, we gotta say Kailey won. Kailey won!
Loser.
Thank you all so much for watching our very first video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you soon. Bye!
See ya.
Peace.